So far, data suggests that children under the age of 18 years represent about 8.5% of reported cases, with relatively few deaths compared to other age groups and usually mild disease. However, cases of critical illness have been reported. As with adults, pre-existing medical conditions have been suggested as a risk factor for severe disease and intensive care admission in children. We highly recommend using sanitizing services when necessary. Disinfection means using chemicals to kill germs on surfaces. This process does not necessarily clean dirty surfaces or remove germs, but by killing germs that remain on surfaces after cleaning, disinfection further reduces the risk of spreading infection. Cleaning before disinfection is very important as organic matter and dirt can reduce the ability of disinfectants to kill germs. Our community and our children are the most important thing to us. To speak to our manager regarding your biological contamination remediation needs, or to get any additional information on any of our services, contact Clean House Melbourne. Our team are available to assist in these trying times, so you and your family can get back to the things that matter. Let Clean House Melbourne help you.